When is that you? For real? What do you even mean by that? Workout low, huh? Yeah, guys, I've been working out. I was stretching. Yeah, I was with my power stretches. I'm opening my body. It's very stiff. Are you and Ben in good rapport? Why not? Please don't believe in anything till the time it doesn't come out from us. It's just one of the things I just want to tell you. Don't believe in what media says or people they type. They don't know. They try approaching all of us till the time, because see guys, I'm been making it very clear. I'm here to work. I'm here to inspire people. I'm here to get inspired, motivate people, spread a lot of happiness through my work. And that's it. That's the only thing I speak about, to media or to anybody out there. मैं बॉम्बे इसलिए ही आया हूँ, वरना मैं दिल्ली में बहुत कंफर्टेबल लाइफ में था. मेरे डैड ने मुझे बहुत पैम्पर कर रखा था. मुझे छोड़ के आने की कंफर्ट जोन को ज़रूरत थी नहीं ऑनेस्टली. बट आई केम, आई स्टार्टेड एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम माई ओन, स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच, ज़ीरो मनी, मेड इट ऑन माई ओन. सो देयर इज़ अ रीज़न टू इट. समबडी इज़ फेस टाइमिंग मी. So I'm over here to inspire people, to spread a lot of happiness, to get inspired, to motivate people, to get motivated. So don't believe into whatever happens, in the personal lives. And I believe that you guys have started following me not because of my personal life, because you guys saw some potential out there in me that maybe, I could be the person who can take over something and try to entertain all of you guys. So let's just stick to that. Make sense? Thanks Ajay, thank you Joy, thank you. I hope you're doing good, bhai. Keep dancing more. Joy. Vishal, hi Vishal, I can see you. Oh, my phone. I'll give you what you want. Okay then. ये ग्लोइंग त्वचा का राज क्या है सर? आप तो भूलिए मत. सुबह आप इतना ग्लो कर रहे थे ना जब आपसे बात हुई थी हमारी. अर्जित तनेजा जी, ये तुम हो हमारा प्यार सबका. You definitely have the potential to become a Bollywood star. That's very sweet of you. But I think I have more to it. Just not Bollywood. I love Bollywood. Everybody does. We've grown. But I have more to it. Is what I believe. So how are you, Bhaiya? Lockdown has made you look different, is it? Yeah, just I think gone with the beard a little bit. Alright guys, I think we had a good session of chat. I just came very randomly over here in front of you all. I'll be back to my stretches. It's quite a lot of mehnat for me. So Joy will be soon coming here to Delhi. I have to plan Delhi. It's been I think it's more than now 1 year, more than that actually. More than a year I have not been. But आऊँगा तो I definitely catch up with all of you. Like I need to meet a lot of people. गुरकरण भाई कैसे हो? कब आ रही है वीडियो? बता दो, अभी अनाउंस कर देते हैं डेट. Alright guys, I think I should be going now. I have to start the workout. I've got back after a long ass time. So I'll see you very, very soon. I'll be coming live jaldi again, and inshallah in upcoming months there are more projects coming. I hope I will be able to make any sense to you guys with my art. I've tried. Let's see where it goes. How do you order your veggies and diet food? Please ask your fans to order online. Yes guys, please go ahead and order online because I've been doing that myself, though I have somebody who comes home from outside the gate and gives us all the things. My society has that arrangement. So if you guys are not able to arrange it, just be very careful. Wear your mask. I have not stepped out of the house. Tomorrow is going to be the 20th day. It's 11 in an hour. As soon as the clock hits 12, it's going to be day 20th for me. I have not stepped out of the house. I just keep peeping outside the windows of my house, of every room. So yeah, please stay home. Please stay safe. Please find and figure out ways to entertain yourself and to get and release your energies in whatever sense is possible for you. It's not a very, very easy time we are going through. It's unfortunate for all of us. I'm over here trying my best to help whosoever I can, in every possible way, because right now everybody is dealing with something or the other. There are, yes, right now to the world is facing a lot of problems with COVID. People are dying, families are just getting over in a day's span. I've seen my friends losing out their parents in a day's time. It's heartbreaking. So please be very safe. Please be with your loved ones. Please don't forget to tell people how much you love them. And that's what I at least try the entire day, and keep my energies on. That's my hair, sorry. So please stay safe, guys, and keep eating, keep hydrating, keep the exercises on. Don't be lazy. Try to be up and divert yourself with something or the other. So alright, I'll see you guys. Please take care of yourself, all of you. Signing off. Jaldi milte hain.